Hello everyone, this is Shubham. Welcome you all in our channel, that is Shubham Tech. Basically, in this video, we are talking about vaccine Virafin. This vaccine could be a shoot-in-arm of India's war. In this regard, Director Control General of India has been given emergency approval for the use of new medicine called Virafin to treat moderate cases of COVID-19 infection in adults. Now, Zydus Cadila, manufacturer of Virafin, claims that the drug will help patients recover faster and avoid further complications during the treatment of COVID-19. The company claims that this vaccine also reduces the need of supplemental oxygen in patients, which is the biggest crisis right now in across the country, because the patients are requiring more oxygen as per the government data. Apart from that, Zydus Cadila claims that conducted trial in 20 to 25 centers, and this Virafin vaccine has been given to 250 patients, out of which 91.15% were negative within 7 days. After 7 days, RT-PCR test has been conducted of them and report has come negative. In these trials, Virafin helped control lung respiratory diseases, which is said to be one of the major challenge in treating COVID-19 patients. The company claims that Virafin will be available for use in hospital on the prescription of doctor. It will not be available across the counter. It helps in reducing the number of days and hospital stay. It is also going to reduce the kind of burden on hospitals in terms of oxygen supply and deficit that we have seen earlier. This gives us an option to reduce respiratory distress, which is major cause, and also severe inflammation in many cases of COVID-19. Virafin vaccine come into existence when the human body gets infected from coronavirus or has been moderate infected from coronavirus. If we talking about Covaxin or Covishield, come into existence before body gets infected from coronavirus. Apart from this, Remdesivir is a very well known medicine. It is used only when the patient is on ventilator or in ICU or oxygen present in blood is less than 94%, then the Remdesivir come into the existence. Recommended oxygen in blood should be 95%. Remember to wear your face mask and wash your hands and face regularly, and also ensure that you maintain physical distancing when you step outside. The simple precautions are all that it takes on our part to defeat pandemic. Take care of yourself and your families. Thanks for this watching.